starting from 10th character, find out A. This is the 10th character. Starting from 10th character, find out the A. This is the A. What is the position of this A? 13. So return 13. Okay, now that's all. So here find the position of 5. Find the position of 4 starting from 6. This is 11. Find the position of V starting from 10. This is the 10th character. Starting from 10, this is the E. What is the position of this E? 13. Okay, then. Understood? Then. Okay. Now, so you want to test, you can test. Like what? Comma 6, comma 6, 11. Suppose E, then what's that? 10. Then what? Then 13. Okay, then suppose I'll say K. K is there or not there? Not there. If not there, character is not there, return 0. If character is there, returns position. If character is not there, returns what? 0. Okay, then. So K is not there, so returns 0. Understood? Then. Now, suppose, like for example, then there is a table customer S, customer ID, customer name, customer what's it? Customer ID, customer name, customer what? ID name. Suppose let's take ID name. ID is 10. Name is what's it? Sachin Tendulkar. ID is 11. Suppose some name. Okay. Rohit. Anything. Suppose then. Next one. Okay. Na? Then. So this is the table. Just example. What I want is, I want to display customer ID, first name, last name. Actual table contains full name, but in output, I want to divide this name into two parts, first name and last name. First name in one column, last name in one column. Then how? Okay, then understood. So I want to divide this name into two parts, first name and last name. How to get the first name? How to get the first name? This is the first name. This is the first name. This is the last name. I want to get the first name. Then see, when you want to get part of the string, you want this is the string. From this string, you want this part. When you want part of the string, there are two. Either use substring or use left right. Left right functions are substring. Okay, na? Then suppose I use substring. I want to use substring function. What is the substring function syntax? String start number of characters. What is the string? Customer name. String is customer name. Yes or no? Where you want to start from to get Sachin? Where you have to start from? 1. Start from 1. Okay. To get the Sachin, start from first character. Starting from first character, how many characters you want? Huh? Starting from first character, how many characters you want? What? Hmm? Starting from first character, how many characters you want? What? Huh? How many characters you want? 6. Okay, na? How many characters you want? What? 6 characters. Then what? 6 characters. Okay. But 6 is okay for Sachin. 6 is not okay for this. 6 is okay for this one. 6 is not okay for this. What? Then what? Char index. Sir, here, 1 second. Then, but what is the common thing in both? Up to the space. Up to the space. Here, where is the space? Where is the space? after 6. Where is the space after 6? That means 7. Space is at 7th character. Yes or no? If space is at 7th character, 7th position, select 6 characters. Space is at 7. If space is at 7, select 6. Here, where is the space? Space is at what? 6. Space is at 6. Select 5 characters. Space is at 7, 6. Space is at 6, 5. Space is at 10, 9 characters. Space minus 1. Space minus 1. Find the position of space minus 1. How to find the position of space? How to find the position of space? In hello, welcome. I want to find the space. Then like space, give the space. Hello, where is the space? 6. Where is the space? Space is at 6. Yes or no? Then how to find the space? Char index. What space? Comma. C name. Suppose in Sachin Tendulkar, where is the space? 7. So char index function returns what? 7. 7 minus 1. Char index function returns what? 7. 7 minus 1. Okay, now char index function returns what? 7. 7 minus 1. Out 6. 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6. Starting from first character. How many characters? 7 bars, char index returns 7. 7 minus 1. 6. 1 comma 6. Then what is selected? Such a. If we go to next name. So where is the space? Space is at 6. 6 minus 1. 5. 1 comma 5. Rohit. That's it. This is the what for first name. Okay. First name. Next one. Last name. How to get the last name? How to get the last name? Substring. String. C name. Where you have to start? After space. Starting from T. Okay, na? Start from T. Start from T means start from space plus 1. Start from space plus 1. Space plus 1. Yes or no? Space plus 1 means T. Okay. How to start from space plus 1? Char index. Then char index. What's the space? Then customer name plus 1. So this is space plus 1. Okay. Na? Then space plus 1. Char index space plus 1. Then space plus 1. Then so space plus 1 means T. Starting from T, how many characters? Starting from T, how many characters? I want all the characters. If you want all the characters, simply say len. Len of C name. Yes or no? Even if you say len of C name, no problem. So select starting from T, we are selecting all the characters. Okay. Then. So this is first name. This is what's last name. Okay. Then this is okay now. So here you want Tendulkar. To get Tendulkar, see when you want to use substring function, then you must be clear with this 3. What is the string? Where you have to start? How many characters? Where you have to start from? How many characters? But I want to get Tendulkar. To get Tendulkar, where you have to start from? To get Tendulkar, where you have to start from? After the space plus 1. Then starting is space plus 1. So this is the space plus 1. Okay, space plus 1 means it will go to T. Starting from T. How many characters you want? All the characters. If you want all the characters, simply say len. No problem. Okay, now? Then. Understood? Then. Okay. Length gives actually what the length of this Sachin Tendulkar? 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, na? Total how many characters? 16. Starting from T, how many characters? 16 characters. No problem. But how many are there? Sir, here don't confuse. Then substring. What? Suppose what? Sachin Tendulkar. Starting from what? Starting from what, sir? Starting from 8. Starting from 8. 8. What is the eighth character? What is the eighth character? Starting from 8. Okay, na? So how many are there? 3, 6, 9. Yes or no? If I say 9 means, then what it gives? Tendulkar. I give, okay, na? 20. What it gives? Tendulkar. If I give 30, if I give 100, then what it gives? What it gives? Tendulkar. Okay, na? When you want all the characters, then just specify the length. How many characters are there? That many characters it runs. Understood that? Okay, na? Then. So that's it. This is for first name. This is for last name. This is for last name. Then write the query. What? Select what? CID. Then CID. CID. Then what substring? What's that? C name. Then substring C name. Then what? One comma carry index. What's that? Space. Then C name minus 1 as first name. Next one. Substring. What's that? C name. Then carry index. Then space comma C name. Then plus 1 comma len of C name. Okay, as last name. Then from customer. Okay, that's it. This query will divide the name into 2 parts. Starting from first character space minus 1. Starting from space plus 1, all the characters. Okay, then. Okay, na? Then. Now. So test it. I want to test. To test, write a query. I want to test it. To test it, what's it? If customer table is there, drop it. Then create the table. Create the table with 2 rows and run the query. Okay. So create table what? Create table what's that? Customer. Customer ID integer. Customer name. Varchar of what's that? 20, 30. Then table is created. Okay. So create table customer. Customer ID. Customer name. Next one. Insert into customer what's that? Values. Customer 10. Then Sachin Tendulkar. So one row created. Next one 11. Then what? Suppose okay. What is the name I have taken? Just then suppose insert one row created. So table is created. Now see the table. Select start from what's it? Customer. Select start from customer. Okay. Then next one. So run the query. Now run this query. So table is created. Now run the query. Then right. So divided or not? Yes. Name is divided into 2 parts. Name divided into 2 parts. Yes or no? Okay, na? Then. And you try this. You try this one. What that is then? So like you try this. And Sachin, what? Next. Oh. Huh? Oh. Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Then. Oh. Okay, na? Then. So what you have to display: customer ID, first name, middle name, last name. Then you divide the name into three parts. I divide it into two parts. You divide that name into three parts. Okay. Then, okay. So this is where functions are useful. Okay. Then because in tables they are storing like this, but in the output they'll ask like this. In table they're storing like this, but in the output they want like this. Okay. Now then that case functions are useful. Okay. Next. No. Next one. Suppose here then. Next one. Suppose here that. Like let's see. That there is a function called what? Replicate. There is a function called replicate. Okay, na? Replicate. What is replicate? Replicate what? Repeats. Repeats character. Okay, na? Then repeats character for given number of times. Repeats character for number of given number of times. Then repeats character for given number of times. Replicate what? Replicates. What's that? Character. Okay, na? Then so replicate what? Star. Suppose 10. Then if you write like this, star is repeated how many times? 10 times. Okay, na? Character, what's that? Length. Suppose length. Example, select what? Replicate. Select replicate star comma 10. Then star is repeated what? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Okay. Then so star is repeated 10 times. So suppose password is there. Table contains password, but I don't want to show the passwords. I want to show stars. Then you can use replicate. Instead of showing the actual value, I want to show star. Then you can use replicate. Understood? Then. So suppose, for example, name is there. E name salary from EMP. But I don't want to show the actual salaries in output. Sometimes tables contain sensitive data. Salary is not sensitive. Suppose sometimes table contains sensitive. That means they don't like to share this data to others. Okay, na? So then I don't want to show the actual salaries. Instead of showing salaries, I want to show stars. Then what's that? You can use what? Replicate. Replicate. What you want to show? Star. How many stars you want to show? Depends on salary. Okay. Length of salary. Length of salary. Here, what is the length? What is the length here? Huh? Length is 6. Length is how many? 6. Star dot is also included. So how many? 6. Here, what is the length? 7. Length is 7. Here, length is 6. Here, length is 7. Then what? Length of what? Salary from EMP as what's it? Salary. So heading is salary, but what it will show? Stars. Then then so display what's it? ename, then salary. Display ename and salary. Clear. That's it. Okay. Now, suppose let's take another example. There is a table, accounts table is there. Account number is there. Account number balance. Account numbers contains how many digits? Huh? How many? 12, 12, 11. Depends. Bank to bank. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Next one. 4. Suppose 8. So this is 9, 10, 11. Next one. Okay. 1. So how many? 12 digits. How many digits? 12. 9 plus 3. 12 digits. So balance. Suppose 10,000. This is the table. Okay. You go to ATM. You go to ATM. Suppose you withdraw the cash. Then after that you receive the SMS. Your account number XXX 9481. 9481. So debited something. You receive the message like this. So in that they don't show full account number. They show only last 4 digits and they show 4x. Okay. I want to show the account number like this. Then how? I want to show the account number like this. Then hmm, I want to show the account number like this. Hmm, I want to show the account number like this. Then hmm, simple boss. 4x. 4x must be concatenated with the last 4 digits of account number. 4x should be concatenated with the last 4 digits of account number. How to get 4x? How to get 4x? Replicate x comma 4. X comma 4. 4x. 4x should be concatenated with last 4 digits of account number. How to get the last 4 digits of account number? How to get the last 4 digits of account number? What? Right. Right of what? Account number comma 4. Right of account number comma 4. Then last 4 digits of account number. Yes or no? Right means what? Starts from right side 4. That means you're asking 4. Then it will return 9481. So 4x concatenated with 9481. That's okay. So this is where it is useful. Understood? Okay. Next. Next one. Suppose here there is a call. What's it? There is a call replace. There is a call replace. Then so function use it to replace what's it? One string with what? Another string. Use it to replace one string with another string. Function use it to replace. Then so replace what? String 1, string 2, string 3. Replace string 1, string 2, string 3. So okay, then this function takes 3 strings, but this is used to replace one string with another string. Suppose example, see, select what? Replace. Select replace. String is what's that? Hello. Suppose ELL. Next one ABC. I taken 3. What the meaning of this is? What the actual string is? Hello. Actual string is hello. In hello, I want to replace ELL with what's that? ABC. The string is hello. In hello, I want to replace ELL with what's that? ABC. Then so wherever ELL is there, ELL is replaced with what? ABC. Then what it does? HABCO. So this ELL is replaced with ABC. Okay, HABCO. Then now, so then let's see. Understood? Then so you see this here. Then HABCO. Replacing one string with what's that? Another string. Suppose I write L. What? Replace L with what's that? ABC. Replace L with ABC. Then what? H, E. Next one L. This L is replaced with ABC. What the next one? L. This L is also replaced with ABC. Next one O. So HE ABC ABC O. HE ABC ABC O. Okay. Then now, so wherever L is there, replace L with what's that? ABC. Okay, na? That's now. So plus and also sometimes what's that? String is there, but the string is filled with what's that? Unwanted characters. HE at the rate, LL at the rate, O at the rate. Okay, then the string filled with what? Unwanted. I want to remove the at the rate because okay. So there is some special character. I want to remove the special character. Then what? What do you want to replace? What do you want to remove? At the rate. I want to remove this at the rate. Then removing at the rate means replace with null. Removing at the rate means replace with null. Null character. What the null character means? Open single quotes, immediately close it. Don't give space. Then what happens? Wherever at the rate is there, at the rate is replaced with what's that? Null. Wherever at the rate is there, at the rate is replaced with what's that? Null. Then so then what is this is hello. So wherever at the rate is there, at the rate is replaced with what's that? Null. Then that's so let's test it then. Okay, na? So test this query. Then so replace. Then you see this hello. Removed or not? Okay, na? At the rate is removed or not? Yes. Wherever at the rate is there, at the rate is replaced with null character. That's next. Understood? Then, for example, suppose then, for example, hello. The string is hello. I'm asking to replace ELO. ELO with ABC. Then replaced or not replaced? Huh? Hello ELO ABC. Then replaced or not replaced? Not replaced. ELO, because ELO is there or not there? Not there. If it is there, it is replaced. Here ELL is there, replaced. L is there, replaced. At the rate is there, replaced. But ELO is not there, not replaced. Then what is the output? Hello. Yes or no? ELO is not there, boss. Then if string is not there, not replaced. If string is there, then it is replaced. So hello only, same out, same input. Okay, then understood. So characters are there, but string is not there. String, because this is replacing is what, one string with another string. So the string is not there. So if it is not there, not replace. Okay, then clear now. Oh. Suppose, for example, you see the table, select star from what's that? EMP. You see the table. Sir, actually, hide date. You see the hide date. What is this hide dates? 1981. Actually, I want to enter 2021. By mistake, I entered 1981. I want to change this 1981 to 2021. Then, oh, hmm? Command. Tell, you have to tell the complete command, not just only replace. Then in table, I want to change, update, set hide date equals to, in hide date, in hide date. So actual string is hide date. In hide date, 1981 should be replaced with 20. That's it. So wherever 1981 is there, 1981 is replaced with what? 2021. Where hide date? In hide date column, 1981 is replaced with 2021. Yes or no? Then now let's see. 15 rows, what's that? Affected. Now see the table. Select star from what's that? EMP. See the table. So you see that 2021, 2021, 2021, 2021. 1981 is gone. 1981 is replaced with 2021. Suppose 1980. I want to replace 1980 with 2020. Then 1980, I want to replace with 2020. Then 15 rows affected. Now see the table. So what? 1980. Replace it with 2020. Yes or no? Then that's all. Understood now? So then suppose here, what the query is, like in hide date column, in hide date, okay, then replace what's it? 1981 with 2021. And so what? 1981 with 2021. That's all. Then hmm, hmm, where is to select? In table you want to change, then update. Okay, now then, but I'm not changing the complete hide date. I'm changing only the year part. Format is for to display the different format. Hmm. Hmm? Then that's all. Here actually, when you get it out, you try it, then you'll get the difficulty. Then what is the problem? You'll okay. Then you'll understand what the like why. Okay. Then understood. Then next, like this, there is a function called what's that? Translate, replace and translate. Like this is also used to function used to translate one character to another character. But the difference is replace is what's that? String to string. Replace is string to string. Translate is what? Replace is string to string. Translate is what, sir? Character to character. Okay. Then so replace is string to string. Translate is character to character. Translate what? Translate. Then same string one, string 2, string 3, string 1, string 2, string 3. Then example, what, like, okay, but what is the difference? Syntax wise same, but what is the difference? Replace is what? String to string, but translate is character to character. Translation is character to character. Example, select what's that? Translate, then translate what's that? Hello, then so ELO. Next one, ABC, then what? Hello, ELO, ABC, then what? Then hello, ELO, ABC. What is the meaning here? What I said, character to character. E is translated to A, L translated to B, O translated to C, E to L, O to B, L to B, O to C. Okay, then C. Understood? Okay, na? Next. Clear? Compulsory number of characters should be same. Like even AB, this also gives error. 3 characters cannot be translated to 2 characters. 3 cannot be translated to 2. Then it gives what's that? Error. Understood? Then. So 3 must be translated to what's that? 3. But 3 cannot be translated to 2. Got it? Then. So then what this gives? Then. Understood? Then. So like, and one more point is translate function. Translate function can be used to encrypt data. You can use this function to encrypt data. What is encryption means? Like what the definition is? That is converting what's that plain text to ciphertext. Converting plain text to what's it? Ciphertext. What that is called? Encryption. Converting plain text to what? Ciphertext called encryption. Okay, na? Then. So we can use translate function to encrypt. Okay, usually what are encrypted? Same passwords. Passwords are encrypted. Sense to data is encrypted. Passwords are encrypted. Gmail password. Suppose your Gmail password is ABC123. Suppose. But in database, the password is not stored as ABC123. The password is not stored as what? ABC123. Okay, na? Then. So encrypted. Now, like, but I'll encrypt what's her salaries. Okay, na? We don't have passwords. We don't have other data. What we have salary. I'll encrypt salaries. Just what the logic is. Select what's her e-name. Next one, salary. I want to show the salary, but I want to encrypt the salary. Then what I'm using is translate. What do you want to encrypt? Salary. Salary contains what? Salary contains what? Digits. The digits ranges from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dot. Salary contain this. Okay, na? Digits plus what's her? Dot. Next. So translate 0 to what's her? Translate 0 to dollar. Translate 1 to suppose capital T. Translate 2 to okay small b. Translate 3 to star. 3 to star. Translate 4 to suppose small capital K. Translate 5 to at the rate. Translate 6 to ash or like what cap. Okay, na? Then translate what's it? Huh? What the next? This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. Next one. Translate 7 to suppose percentage. Translate 8 to okay. Like what? Ash. Translate 9 to okay. Ampersand. Translate dot to okay. Exclamation. Like this. As salary from EMP. That's all. So 0 translated to dollar, 1 is translated to T, 2 is translated to B, 3 translated to star, 4 translated to K, 5 is at the rate, 6 is cap, 7 is percentage, 8 is ash, 9 is ampersand, dot is exclamation. Okay, then. So there is a employee, Jones, his salary 2975, actual salary 2975.00. So tell me what it will show. Salary is like this, but what it will show? Huh? 2, what? B, small b. Next one, 9. What? Huh? 9. 9 is translated to what? Huh? Ampersand. Ampersand. 7. Okay, na? 7. So this is 9. This is 8. This is 7. 7 is translated to percent. 5. Next one, what? 5. Then what? 5. This is 7. No? This is 6. This is 5. Cap. Cap. Okay. Next one. Dot. Dot is translated to exclamation. 0 translated to dollar dollar. That's all. Actual salary is this, but SQL will show like this. This query will show the data like this. Salary will be displayed like this. 2. 2 is translated to B. Next one. What is the next one? 9. 9 is translated to ampersand. Next one. 7 is, this is 9, no? This is 8, this is 7. So 7 is translated to percentage. What the next one is 5. 5 is translated to dollar. What the next one is dot. Dot is translated to exclamation. Next one 0 0 dollar dollar. That's understood. 5 what? At the rate. This is 7, no? Yes or no? 7 means percentage. This is 6. This is what? 5. Sorry. Then what is at the rate? Sorry. At the rate. Okay. Instead of cap, what's it? At the rate. Then now run this query. Run this. Run the query. You see this. Jones. You see that. Jones salary 2975. B. What's that? Ampersand, percentage, at the rate, exclamation, dollar dollar. Okay. Then so it is showing the salaries like this. If someone see the salaries, they don't understand the salaries. Someone see the value, they don't understand the values. Yes or no? Then that's it. So we can use translate function for encrypting. Okay. Then understood. Then now so suppose then this is one. Okay now. Then one example where translate is useful. Okay. Next another one. Then oh, you take, suppose some string is there. Okay na? There is some string like you take PAN number. PAN number contains what? Alphanumeric. Okay na? But how many? 10. Yes or no? Then what is the first 6 characters? Okay, like I'm taking one A B C, suppose XYZ. First 6. Next one number. How many? 4. 1 2 3 4. Next one character. Suppose. Okay na? So this is the PAN number. Okay. Then suppose by mistake this is filled with special characters. Okay na? This filled with what's that? Special characters. AB. After AB, what's that? Then what? Cap. Next one. After XYZ, what? Suppose some special exclamation. What is the next one? After this, what's that? Percentage. Next one, what? Ash. Okay, ash. Then okay na? Next one, suppose here what? Then cap. Next one, what? Dollar. Okay na? Then so what is this contains? This contains some what? What this contains? Special characters. How many? 1 2 3. Next one 4 5. What? 4 5 6. Percentage is 6. Next dollar 7. Total how many special characters? Huh? Okay, but uh, okay. Then so what the question is? Remove what's that? All what? Special characters from this. This is the string. From this string, you remove what's that? All the special character. By default, the string is filled with what? Special characters. I want to remove that. Remove all the special characters. I want only alphabets and numeric part. Okay, na? Alphabets and numeric part. I don't want the special characters. Remove that. Then how? Can we use replace? Can we use replace? Huh? Can we use replace? So here, at the rate is I want to remove this at the rate. Then replace at the rate with what? Null. So at the rate is removed or not? Yes. Similarly, here also I want to replace what, sir? All the special characters. Can I use replace? Can I use replace? Replace this one. Then what do you want to replace? Special characters. What are the special characters? At the rate. Next one. Hash. Next one. Ampersand. Then ampersand. What is the next one? Cap. Then next one. What's that? Next one. Uh, see star. Then next one. Exclamation. What is the next one? What? Percentage already there? Okay. Percentage. What is the next one? Dollar. Hash is already there. Next one. Dollar. Yes. So total how many special characters? 8. 3 plus 3. 6 plus 2. How many? 8. Okay. Then I want to remove the special characters. Can I say null? Can I say null? Then replace all these with null. Replaced or not replaced? Not replaced. Okay, na? Then because one example you already know. ELO with ABC. ELO is replaced or not replaced? Not replaced. Why? Because ELO string is not there. So similarly, the string is there or not there? Not there. Characters are there, but string is not there. String means sequence. If the sequence of characters are there in this string, no. Characters are there, but string is not there. So replaced or not replaced? Not replaced. Then how? Okay, na? So here you do one thing. Use what's that? Translate. Translate. So can we translate to null? Can we translate to null? No. Why? But there is a rule. What is the rule? Translate function, this and this number of characters should be same. But here how many special characters are there? 8. But you are translating 8 characters to 0 characters. That is not possible. 8 must be translated to 8. Okay. Then number of characters should be same. Then so can we use replace? No. Can we use translate? No. Then how? So what the solution is? Translate all these special characters to one special character. Translate all the special characters to one. How many special characters? 8. I'll translate all the 8 characters to one special character. 1, 2, suppose what's that? Dollar. Anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All special characters are translated to dollar. So at the rate is translated to dollar. Hash is translated to dollar. Ampersand dollar. Cap dollar. Star dollar. Everything. All the characters are translated to dollar. Okay. What is the next one? Remove the dollar. Remove the dollar. How to remove this at the rate? Replace at the rate with what, sir? Null. Here also, so this translate function, this one, written this. In this dollar is there. Remove the dollar. How to remove the dollar? Replace dollar with null. Then what you have to do is replace. So use replace and see translate function output is this. This is the translate function output. This output is input to replace. Translate function output is input to replace. What do you want to replace? What do you want to replace? Dollar. Replace dollar with what? Null. Open single quotes and close. Okay. Na? Then said first what is executed? Translate function is executed. This is the translate function output. This output is given to replace. What replace is doing? Replace is replacing star with what, sir? Null. So wherever dollar is there, dollar is replaced with null. You see that? Then understood? That's all. So it is not one step. It is two step. First Translate all special characters to one special character. Next, replace that special character with null. Okay, then that's it. So first, what is executed first? This is executed first. This is executed first. Yes or no? Then when this is executed, what the output? When this is executed, what the output? This is the output. So this output is given to what? This output is given to replace function. This output is given to replace function. What replace is doing? Replacing dollar with what, sir? Null. Okay, then that's it. Understood. Okay, then then so then how to remove if it is filled with only one special character? How to remove it? Okay, na? Replace is enough, but it is filled with different special characters. Then first translate, then replace. Okay, that's okay. Next, that's all. So what are these functions? These functions are called what's that? String functions. What are these functions are? String functions. Okay, then next. What the next one is? What? Numeric functions. And numeric. But in numeric functions, okay, na? In numeric functions, then in numeric functions, the most important what's that? Three. What are the three? One is round, next one ceiling, next one floor. Okay, there are some functions which are like general mathematical power, square root. Okay, but apart from that, the most widely used are three: round, ceiling, floor. So these three functions are used for rounding the numbers. They are used for what? Rounding numbers. Suppose one number is like this. For example, 38.456789 like this. The number is like this. But I don't want to show the number like this. I want to round this number to 38. That means I want to round this number to integer. And I want to round this number to 38 point what's that? 45 something. Or I want to round this number to 38 point what? 4567. 4567. So means I want to round this number to integer. I want to round the number to two decimal places. I want to round the number to four decimal places. So if you want to round the number like this, then we use these functions. Okay, na? Then so round it to the integer, round it to two decimals, round it to four decimals like this. Okay, then so first we'll see what? First we'll see round function. Round function, what what this function is? Rounds number to what? Integer or to what's that? Decimal places. Rounds number to the integer or to the decimal places, but based on what's that? Average. Rounding is based on what? Rounding is based on what's that? Average. Okay, then understood. Round function acts according to average. So round of what? Number. Next what's that? Decimal places. You want to round the number to how many decimal places? Then example, what? Example, select what's that? Round off. Suppose same thing, 38 point what? 30.4567, 456789 something, comma 0. Then means zero decimals. Zero decimals means integer. Zero decimals means integer. So this number is, you're asking round this number to integer. But this number is between what range? This number is between what range? 38 to 39. What is the average? 38.5. This number is between 38 to 39. Na? What the average is? 38.5. And this number is below average or above average? Below average. If it is below average, rounded to the lowest. If it is equal or above average, rounded to highest. Okay. Then what is the meaning? The number is what, sir? Greater than or equal to average. Then rounded to what? Rounded to highest. If the number is below average, then number is less than average, then round it to lowest. So tell me what is this number is below average, then round it to lowest. What is the lowest? 38. 38.4 is rounded to 38. Understood na? Then so you want to check, you can check. What? Then you see this. What? Then you see this. Then 38 point this. Number is rounded to 38. Yes or no? 38 point something means 38. 38.000 means 38 only. Yes or no? Then suppose, then for example, I'll say not 38.4, 38.5. Then if I give 38.5, then it is rounded to 39. Because what I said, equal or above average, rounded to highest, below average, lowest. This is below average, then rounded to lowest. 38.5 means above average. If it is above average, rounded to highest, 39. Okay, then next. So then, but here I said 0. 0 means integer. It is rounded to integer. But I say 2, then I'll say 2. But the 2 means 2 decimals. The number is rounded to 2 decimals. Then 38 what? Actually 45. Actually 45. But if next digit is 5 or above 5, this 5 is rounded to 6. 38.46. If the next digit is 5 or above 5, this 5 is rounded to 6. Understood? Next digit is 5 or above 5. This 5 is rounded to 6. Okay, then. So, then you see this. Now let's execute. Then 4, 5, 6, 4, 6. What it ends is 4, 6. 38.46. But next digit is 3. Then next digit. Actually, you said 2. This is 2. Next digit is 3. That means below 5. If it is below 5, then 4, 5 only. Okay, na? Then comma, 2. But here this is what set? 3. Next digit is below 5. It is below 5. It is rounded to 5 only. If the next digit is 5 or above 5, this 5 is rounded to 6. Then so 38 point what's that? 45. Then understood. Then suppose I'll say comma 3. Then comma 3. Then 38 point what's that? 3. Actually 4, 5, 6. Actually 4, 5, 6. But next digit is what? 7 above 5. If it is above 5, this 6 is rounded to 7. 7. Okay. Then 6. 6 is rounded to 7. Next one. Suppose comma 1. Then comma 1. Then 38 point, what's that? 38. 38 point actually 4. 38 point actually 4. Actually 4. But next it is what? 5 or above 5. This 4 is rounded to 5. 38.5. That's all. This is called rounding. It acts according to average. It acts according to what's that? Average. See that 38.1, 38.5. Yes. Then if I say 3, then if I say 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Okay, na? Then because actually 4, 5, 6, but next digit is what, sir? 5 or above 5. The 6 is rounded to 7. Then that's it. So what this is? This is what, sir? Rounding. Okay. Then and plus suppose here you're rounding the number to what? What you're rounding? You're rounding the number to what's that? Integer or to the decimal places. Yes or no? Rounding the number to integer or to the decimal. Not only integer, you can round the number to hundreds. You can round the number to tens. You can round the number to thousands also. Here in this example, you're rounding it to integer or to the decimal places. I can also give like this. Suppose 386. 386 minus 2. I can give like this. So if we give minus 2 means this number is rounded to hundreds. Minus means what? This number is rounded to hundreds. Minus 1. Minus 1 means number is rounded to tens. Minus 3 means number is rounded to thousands. Minus 4 means number is rounded to 10,000s. So I say minus 2. Then minus 2. Minus 2 means hundreds. Then tell me this, you are asking round this number to the hundreds. Then this number is between what range? This number is between what range? 300 to 400. 300 to 400. Yes or no? What is the average? 350. 386 is below average or above average? Above average. Rounded to highest. What is the highest is? 400. 386 is rounded to 400. Understood? Then. So this is, you're asking minus 2 means hundreds. This number is between what range? 300 to 400. Average is 350. But actual number is above average, means rounded to 400. So you want to check, you can check. You see this, then execute. Understood? 400. Okay, na? Then understood, na? Then next. Next, suppose like for example, then I'll ask what? I'll ask for example minus 1, then minus 1. What? Tens. This number is between what range? 380. 380 to what's that? 390. This is between 380 to 390. What is the average? 385. Average is 385. Average is 385. 386 is above average or below average? Above average. Rounded to highest. What is the highest is 390. 390. 3. Okay. 390. Understood? Then. Okay, na? Then next. So you want to check, you can check. Let's see. Minus 1. Minus 1 means tens. 390. Okay. Next. Suppose I'll say minus 3. Then minus 3. Minus 3 means Then this number is between what range? You're asking round this to thousands. This number is between what range? 0 to what's that? 1000. 0 to 1000. What is the average? 0 to 1000. What is the average? 500. 500. Average is 500. Yes. Then 386 is below average, above average? Below average. Rounded to 0. Okay. 386. You're asking round this value to thousands. So this number is between 0 to 1000. Average is 500. 386 is below average. If it is below average, rounded to what's that? 0. Then now next 386 minus, okay na? Minus what's that? 3. Minus 3. 0. That's understood. Sorry. What? 0, 0. 1000. Okay na? So suppose you tell me 4567 minus 1. 4567 minus 1. Round off. 1 second. Round off 4567 minus 2. Round off 4567 minus 3. So tell me the output. 4570. 45. Oh, okay na? What is the output of this? 4570. 4600. 4600. This is 5000. 4567 minus 1. Minus 1 means tens. This is between what range? 4560 to 4570. 4560 to 4570. Above average or below average? Above average. So returns highest 4570. Yes or no? This is between what? 4500 na minus 2 means 100. 4500 to 4600. What is the average? 4550. But this is below average or above average? Above average. 4600. This is minus 3 thousands. 4000 to 5000. What is the average? 4500. But this is above average or below? Above average. 4000. Then highest. What is the highest? 5000. Let's see. 4570, 4600, 5000. Okay. That's it. That's it. So then if you run this query, then so what the output is 4570, 4600, 5000. Okay. Then understood that. Okay. Suppose, for example, I'll ask update what's it? Update. Update the employees' salaries to what? Okay, na? Employee salaries to hundreds. Then what? I want to update all the employees' salaries to what? Sorry, round, not round all the. Then once again, round what's that? Employees salaries to hundreds. Okay. Then so if you see the table, select start from what's that? EMP. See the table. So in table salaries are like this, but I want to round these salaries to what? Hundreds. 2975. 1250 should be rounded to 1300. 2975 should be rounded to 3000. 1300, 2850, 2900, 2500. Okay, like 950. 950 should be rounded to 1000. So I want round each and every employee salary. Then what? But in table, I want to round it, not in the output. In table. Then what? Update EMP set salary equal to round of salary minus 2. Round of salary minus 2. So all the salaries are rounded to hundreds. See the table. Select star from what's that? EMP. See the table. Select star from EMP. You see that. Earlier it is 1250, 1300, 2975, 3000, 1250, 1300, 2850. Earlier it is 2850, 2900. It is 2450, 2500, like this. Understood? Then 1500, 1500 only. 1500 is not rounded to hundreds. Already rounded to hundreds. Okay, then. Understood? Then. That's so what this is. This is what's the rounding. So using round function, what we can do? We can round the number to what? We can round the number to the integer. We can round the number to the decimal places. We can round the number to the hundreds. We can round the number to the tens. We can round the number to the thousands. Yes or no? Then okay. So we'll continue this tomorrow.